What if I told you that one simple exercise could transform your lower body, boost your strength, protect your joints, and even speed up fat loss, all at once? That exercise is the squat. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 science-backed benefits of doing squats every single day. Whether you're a beginner or a workout warrior, these benefits will blow your mind. Stick around till the end for pro tips and smart modifications to get the most out of your squat routine. Benefit number 1, sculpted and strong glutes. The squat directly targets your gluteus maximus, helping you build a rounder, firmer, and more powerful butt. Squeeze your glutes at the top of each rep. No thrusting, just activation. Want more tone and lift? Try goblet squats, jump squats, or sumo squats. Benefit number 2, full body strength. Squats aren't just for legs. They build strength across your core, hips, and lower back. And when you add weights, your upper body joins in too. The stronger your foundation, the easier everyday movements become. Benefit number 3, injury prevention. Most injuries come from muscle imbalances or weak joints. Daily squats improve joint stability, strengthen supporting muscles, and increase ankle, knee, and hip health. This means fewer injuries and more freedom of movement. Benefit number 4, core power and stability. You don't need hundreds of crunches to build a strong core. Squats activate your abs, obliques, and lower back to stabilize the spine. In fact, squats might be better than planks for functional core strength. Benefit number 5, improved athletic performance. Squats increase power output for jumping, sprinting, and lifting. Athletes love them for a reason. They build explosiveness and agility, especially when doing weighted variations like back or front squats. Benefit number 6, stronger bones. Weight-bearing exercises like squats promote bone density, especially in the hips and femur. This is key for preventing conditions like osteoporosis as you age. Benefit number 7, more calories burned. Because squats engage large muscle groups, they burn tons of energy, even after your workout. Want to burn more fat? Combine squats with other compound moves like deadlifts and lunges. Benefit number 8, better posture. Squats strengthen your back, shoulders, and core, helping you stand taller and reduce pain in the neck and lower back. Front squats are especially good for improving posture with less stress on the spine. Benefit number 9, flexibility, mobility, and balance. Daily squats improve hip flexibility, ankle mobility, and muscle coordination. They challenge your body to move better, which translates to improved balance and deeper, more controlled squats. Benefit number 10, killer leg. Want strong, athletic legs? Squats are your best friend. They work your quads, hamstrings, and calves all at once, giving you definition and power from every angle. Modifications you can try. 1. Limited range squats. Great if you're just starting or have joint issues. 2. Add resistance. Switch to dumbbells, kettlebells, or resistance bands. 3. Change the weight position. Try front squats or Zercher squats. 4. Combine movements. Squat to lunge, squat to calf raise, squat to jump. 5. Slow it down. Hold the bottom position for a challenge. Daily squats can transform your body, from strength and stability to flexibility and fat loss. But remember, consistency is key, and good form beats heavy weight any day. Now it's your turn. Which benefit of squats surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.